the corner. Makes me sad.
You ano your ano na? Your hot dog. Put that.
When was that
jackfruit? Eat that. What did you
I
ano?
don't need to wash it.
Yeah. What did you ano? What did you tell Daddy? Kay smoking from in the red car, on the red car.
That's not your car. This is our car. That's not your car. This is our car. Is that your car? It's not. It's not our. It's not your car. That's our car over here. What do you mean?
He's not allowed to do that.
Yeah,
Why?
because it's fun.
Why? What will happen to him if he smoke there?
He's gonna go to the police officer. And I'm gonna don't rest that to my daddy because he needs to smoke. He's gonna brush your teeth. He's very powerful. His teeth is black. You know? He's gonna put his pressure on you. Then you gotta die. What do you mean?
What will you tell to the police?
He's gonna.
If they arrest your daddy because daddy smoke in the red car, that one, what will you do to the police?
Police officer, I got my whole teeth. I can show it to you.
Then, what if the officer, oh my gosh. Ay, hindi na. Wala ko pera dito ba? Oh. He's selling rugs, see? If I have 100, I will buy. But I don't.
Mama, he's growing so fast.
Yeah. You gonna ano, you help him to sell rugs.
I don't got money. This is my money.
You don't help him to sell rugs.
I don't got money. Mama, can I put some?
Oh, a little lang.
A little because you're gonna die.
What will happen if they put a big amount of salt to roast?
There's stop! Don't eat it. I'm gonna throw your food in the trash can. Why is it good to throw fruit? You know who created the fruit? Yeah. God. So you wanna throw?
No, I will ano, so they will not see your butt.
Ma, what happened if you? So
what will happen if you throw the food? What will God do?
Kill me, yeah?
Don't
Huh?
make an earthquake.
Hey, don't say that word.
I have another regulated na.
Okay, I will get that.
Mommy, here's your hat.
Jeros,